Big Bird
and Snuffy's
Letter Dance Party. Hello there, it's me, Big Bird, and this is my best friend, Snuffy.
Hello.
We're so glad you're here because we're having an alphabet dance party for all our letter friends.
Bird?
Yeah, Snuffy?
There aren't any letters here.
Gee, Snuffy, you're right. Help us create letter friends to invite to our party. Come on, let's get started. To make a letter friend, trace the letter. How exciting!
Hey, look, Bird. It's the letter
S.
Excuse me, letter S. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Sounds silly, let's shake it.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Tap the gift to open it.
Oh, you're almost there.
Look, it's a saxophone.
Oh, boy. Does anyone know how to play? Time to boogie.
Tap on a friend to watch them dance.
Cool moves, letter S. Check them out.
Hey, look at that letter. Way to go, letter S.
Cool moves, letter S. Check.
Hey, look at that letter move.
Wow. I love letter dance parties.
Happy letter dance party.
Bopping balloons.
Balloon bump.
Bopping balloons.
Balloon bump.
I call this the Snuffy Shake.
Go, Snuffy. Go, Snuffy.
Go, Bird. Go, Bird.
Hey,
Go, Bird.
hey, check out my bird boogie.
Wow. I love letter dance parties. Wow. I love letter dance parties. Bopping balloons.
Trace the letter.
This does look familiar. Hey, look, Bird. It's the letter
Hello there, letter M. Do you want to dance with us?
I must. I'm a moving maniac.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift. Tap the gift to open it. Look, it's a mask. Oh, thank you for the lovely gift.
Hey, everybody. Look who's here. It's the letter M.
Magnificent moonwalk, M. Magnificent moonwalk, M.
Check them out.
Hey, look at that letter move. Hey, check out my bird boogie.
I call this the Snuffy Shake.
Happy letter dance party. Balloon bump. Balloon bump. Balloon bump. Trace the letter. How exciting!
Hey, look, Bird. It's the letter
B.
Hello there, letter B. Do you want to dance with us?
Betcha buttons I will.
Hey, Bird, it looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Tap the gift to open it.
Oh, you're all
Oh boy, it's...
bubbles.
Oh, thank you for the lovely gift. Oh, look, a new letter friend has joined the party. Everyone say hello to the letter B.
Cool moves, letter B. Check them out.
Hey, way to go, letter B.
Cool moves, letter B. Bopping balloons.
Balloon bump.
Wow, I love letter dance parties.
Trace the letter. How exciting!
Hey, look, Bird, it's the letter.
D.
Hello there, letter D. Do you want to dance with us?
Don't mind if I do.
Hey, Bird, it looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Tap the gift to open it. Look, it's a dinosaur.
How thoughtful, letter D.
Let's make some room for our new letter friend. Conga line.
Cool moves. Check them out.
Hey, look at that letter move. Way to go, letter D.
Cool moves, letter D.
Go, Snuffy. Go, Snuffy.
I call this the Snuffy shake.
Balloon bump. Balloon bump. Balloon bump. Check out my bird boogie. Trace the letter. Hey, I know what letter this...
Hey, look, Bird, it's the letter.
F.
Excuse me, letter F. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Fabulous. Wait till you see my fancy footwork.
Hey, Bird, it looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Tap the gift to open it. Look, it's a fish.
I hope they like dance parties. Hey, everybody.
Way to go, letter F.
Cool moves, letter F. Check them out. Bopping balloons.
Happy letter dance party.
Bopping balloons.
Happy letter dance party. Trace the letter. How exciting!
Hey, look, Bird, it's the letter
P.
Excuse me, letter P. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Perfect! Pump up the jams!
Hey, Bird, it looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Tap the gift to open it.
Oh, you're all...
Look, it's a pencil.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the dance floor, letter P. Way to go!
Cool. Check.
Way to go, letter P.
Cool moves, letter P. Bopping balloons.
Happy letter dance.
Wow, I love letter dance parties.